Let's improve English.
I've noticed something. You know what I've noticed? I've noticed that when I make videos like how to translate these Hindi sentences into these English sentences, people watch those videos more often. But I don't really think that's the most productive way of learning and improving your language. It's not very useful and productive method to translate each and every sentence of your language into the language that you want to improve. Instead, you should listen to people. You should make your own sentences. Don't translate each and every sentence into the language that you want to learn. In this case, English. When I make videos like how to translate these sentences into English, how to translate these Hindi sentences into English, people watch those videos more often. And when I make you listen to me, you don't watch that often. But that's not good. I don't think that method, direct translation method, is productive enough. It can give you a little help. It can help you make sentences. It can help you improve your grammatical structure and understand that. But it's not very productive. It's not as beneficial as listening is. So I want you to listen as much as possible. I want you to make as many sentences as possible. Because if you don't make your own sentences, there's no benefit. Let me give you an example. Like, मुझे तुझसे बात नहीं करनी. How are we going to translate this sentence into English? I would say, I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you. So don't just learn this sentence. Don't just memorize this sentence. Instead, understand the concept and the logic behind the translation method that has been used in forming this sentence. I don't want to talk to you. That means it's forming in the present indefinite tense. You should make many other kinds of sentences using the same structure. Like, I don't want to listen to you. I don't want to spend time with you. You can also change the subject. I don't want to talk to you. It could be, he doesn't want to talk to me, or she doesn't want to talk to me. You can change the time. He didn't want to talk to me. I didn't want to talk to her. So you need to make a lot of sentences by using one sentence. Do you understand what I mean? If you don't do that, you can never improve your English. If I tell you the translation of some Hindi sentence into English, make more sentences using the same structure. You can change many kinds of things. You can change the subject. Subject means the person who is doing the action. You can change the action. You can change the time. You can make the sentence negative if it's positive. If it's negative, you can make it positive. If it's positive, you can also make it interrogative one. You can do many kinds of variations with a single sentence. And if you do that, you learn how to translate more and more sentences into English. With the help of this video, I want to clear some doubts of yours, like how to improve English. So I've told you, direct translation method, each and every sentence is translating into English. It is not very beneficial. It is beneficial, but not as much as you want it to be, as every learner who wants to learn the language wants it to be. You should make your own sentences. And if you have any doubts, feel free to ask me in the comment box. I'm here to solve all your doubts. I'm here to clear all your doubts. And if you have some hesitation, then remove that hesitation. Because when somebody hesitates, he cannot do anything. He can't do anything. He can never do anything. Remove this hesitation of yours. Watch as many videos as possible. I have made over 200 videos, more than 200 videos on my channel. You can watch many kinds of videos. I'm not saying that you watch only my videos. If you got bored of this face, if you've got bored of my voice, you can watch many other videos. But also keep watching my videos. I'll be giving you a lot of methods that you can use to improve your English skills. I will be uploading a lot of information for you. You'll be able to know a lot of methods that you can use to speak and improve your English. Keep watching my videos if you want to keep improving your English. I keep finding very knowledgeable content for all my subscribers and viewers like you. I love you a lot. I want to help you a lot. I want to support you a lot. I will walk with you on the way of learning English. I'll walk with you on the way of improving and speaking English fluently and confidently. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, do subscribe to it, so you get all the videos that I upload for you. You'll be learning a lot of things. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.